As previously mentioned, you're often going to find that you will have Python pre-installed on your Linux distribution. It's very much at the heart of many Linux distributions, so it's likely to be there. But also, because Python is very much part of the operating system, it is usually best to make sure that you are using the version of Python that ships with your operating system. You can always check the version of Python that you are using. On Linux, the command tends to be Python 3 rather than just plain Python, but that does vary from distribution to distribution. We can look then at Python 3 version, the same option that we used on Windows. We can also check the operating system that we're using. It doesn't seem particularly intuitive, but hostnamectl will give me information, of course, about the hostname, but also about the Linux distribution that I'm using, so it can be a very useful command. So let's move out now to our demonstration of using Python in Linux. I'm using an Ubuntu 24.04 system, and that is going to ship with Python 3.12. But let's check how we can verify the version and the operating system that is in use. So here we are on my Linux desktop. I can open up the command line much in the same way as we can open up PowerShell. I can also make my font just a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. And if I go through and try and run Python version, it comes up and tells me we don't have the command Python. Typically in Linux it's going to be Python 3. But the option is going to be the same. So Python 3 version. And you can see that we've got Python 3.12.3 on this system. When we check the operating system we're using with the hostnamectl command, we can see then that we are in fact using Ubuntu 24.04. So that's from 2024. So a relatively new version of Ubuntu Linux. So long as you have Python installed, it doesn't really matter the operating system that you're using. So whether you're using Ubuntu or whether you're using Rocky Linux, it doesn't really matter. What matters is that we've got a later version of Python, and Python 3.12 is going to be good to work with.